Want to bring your character to life with smooth emotion transitions? I'll show you exactly how to animate from neutral to happy to angry to sad in Procreate Dreams. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete looping animation showing 4 distinct emotions with smooth transitions between each one. In Procreate, create a 2000 by 2000 pixel square canvas. We'll draw 7 separate emotion keyframes that we'll later import into Dreams. Keyframe 1 is our neutral expression. Draw a simple circle for the head with center guidelines. Add oval eyes, gently arched eyebrows, and a straight mouth. Keep it simple. This is your baseline that every other emotion will reference. This is absolutely critical. Keep each facial feature on its own layer. Head, eyes, eyebrows, mouth. Don't skip this step. When we import into Dreams, this layer structure lets us animate each feature independently. Duplicate your neutral canvas, and now let's transform it into mid-happy. So curve those eyes a little bit where they're getting smaller. Raise the eyebrows up on the head more, and draw a beginning smile. Duplicate your mid-smile canvas. Now let's transform it into happy. Curve those eyes into a squint. Raise and curve the eyebrows. And draw a wide smile. Procreate's smooth brush engine makes these curves so clean and easy. So here's what we've got so far. The next thing we're going to do is transform him from happy to mid-angry. Now I think it's better to use the neutral frame for this next emotion. So duplicate the neutral frame. So you want to open the eyes wide, and you want his eyebrows kind of at a sharper angle. And we're going to have his mouth partially open with his teeth showing. We're going to put some creases in the forehead. Okay, so the next keyframe is angry. Open the eyes wide with sharp angles at the corners. Angle those eyebrows down hard towards the center. And create a tight, tense mouth. Use Procreate's precision tools for those sharp, aggressive angles. We're going to cheat a little bit for our mid-sad frame. I'm just duplicating the neutral face, and I'm dragging it up to the top. This will save us a lot of time, and it works well in between. And the final keyframe is sad. Droop the eyes downward. Angle the eyebrows up in the center for that worried look. And then add in a downward facing frown. Okay, now it's time for animation. So I move over into Procreate Dreams and set up my file. I'm using an HD size. I'm changing the frames per second to 12. And I'm going to start off with about a 10-second animation. Don't forget that you have to click on that 1 minute mark and hit your backspace to get rid of that. Okay, so we have our stage ready. Let's move our items from Procreate into Procreate Dreams. What I do is go into Gallery View, long press on it until I can move it around. Don't pick your finger up. Get out of Procreate, go into Procreate Dreams, and now pick your finger up and it will import everything in for you. Okay, so here's a picture file. What we have to do is change this into a group. So if you long press on it, you'll get this menu here. And then you click on Convert Layers to Tracks. Now we have all the layers that we had in Procreate and Procreate Dreams. Okay, the animating process consists of cutting tracks, turning the one off below it, and turning the one on above it. So if you're enjoying the content, I have a small favor to ask that makes a huge difference. Subscribing to my channel is like giving a virtual high five, and it means the world to me. When you hit that subscribe button, you're not just supporting the channel, you're joining an incredible community of awesome people who love art just as much as you do. Imagine being part of something bigger where every view, like, and comment helps us grow and reach more awesome folks just like you. Plus, subscribing is super easy. It's just one click, but that one click has a ripple effect, helping me create more content, bringing new ideas to life, and spreading positivity all around. And hey, in the spirit of kindness, how about this? Subscribe and then go out and do something nice for someone today. Hold the door open for a stranger, leave a kind note for a coworker, or simply smile at someone who looks like they need it. Let's make the world a bit brighter together. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and let's make amazing things happen. Thank you for your support. You're the reason this channel exists. For the spacing, what I'm doing is for the major emotions, not the mids, I'm leaving them on for 10 frames. And then the mid emotions stay on for 2 frames. After I did all this, my complete animation was only 4 seconds. So what I did was click on my title, go in and change the animation duration back to 4 seconds. And now we have a seamless loop from our character going from neutral to happy to angry and to sad. And there it is, your complete 4 emotion character animation. Look at those smooth transitions between neutral, happy, angry, and sad. And finally, I want to show you the one that I completed off camera with colors and everything else. So what I did was I drew this body. It remained static so it could be used for all of the frames of the face. So turning on the neutral face, there it is, and you can see I didn't have too many layers. I just had the line layer, a highlight layer, a shading layer, and then the base colors. Okay, here is the mid happy one next. And they were all done the same way. Okay, then our full on happy. Okay, here is our mid angry. And our full on angry. Mid sad, and if you remember, we just used the neutral face for that one. And then finally full on sad. We spaced these out the same way we did as the other one in Dreams. 10 frames for the major emotions and 2 frames for the in-betweens. And that was our final animation. Export it as an MP4 for Instagram Reels or as a GIF for Discord and Twitter. Your animation is ready to share. Now I challenge you. Create your own emotion animation and tag me at ChamelDoesArt. I'll feature my favorite in the next week's video. Hit subscribe for more animation tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.